So over here, you can see that I have a smiley character with just the face. And if I were to go on to the rig section, you'll be able to see all of the layers right here. And there are three mouth shapes right here. So this is the neutral one, this is the R, and this is the O, as you can see right here. So these are just three shapes that I can use to control the mouth. But if I want to be more detailed, then I can add in other mouth shapes as well. So in order to know what mouth shapes the character animator actually supports, you can simply go over here on and click on the main character right here. And then on the lip sync section, you can see that these are all the mouth shapes that I can add in details onto characters lip sync. So over here, you can see that right now there's mouth right here. So that's one right here. Neutral is there, R is there, and then O is there. All the rest of the slots are needed to be added in. I can select these things out right here and then see how like they are. So we can see right here. So there's the tag right here, just for this one, as you can see. So in order to edit and add in more details, I can go around over here onto the puppet section. So let me just go on to record, and then I'm going to select out the Illustrator face character right here, which is the character where I have all of my lip sync stored in. So I'm just going to right click and click on Edit Original right over there, and then it'll open up using Illustrator. And now it has loaded the character in Illustrator, as you can see, and you got neutral, R's and O's right there. So let's just go around over here and then see like what other shapes this actually supports. So let us go over here onto the face character. Let's go on over here onto the main character and then work around with the lip sync right here. So go around and then over here, there's like neutral is there, there's and it gives a reference over here as well, like M, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and add in an M as well. So let's just go around and then add in an M right here. So it's similar to neutral, as you can see. So this is O, this is So I'm just going to go around and then duplicate this around right here. So I'm just going to go around and then create a new layer right here. I'm just going to go to neutral. This is the shape right there. I'm just going to go around over here on this layer. This is going to be M right here, and paste this out right here. So I'm just going to change out the shape right here. So this is kind of like M, as you can see. So you can go for this one or this one right here. And I'm going to decrease the size just like this and resize this a bit. So this is going to be the shape for M right over here. The other shapes, as you can see, there's S right here. So it is a bit open, as you can see right here. So if I were to go on over here and create another one for S, just going to create a new layer right here. And then I'm going to select this, Control C, and then hide this layer. This is going to be an S. And this is going to be Control F. And S is going to be, let's say, for example, something like this. Okay, so that is going to be S. And what else there is there's S, there's D as well. So D is like E, like a bit of open mouth right there. So let's just go over here and then work around with it. I'm going to create a new layer. This is going to be a D. And then in the S, I'm going to go around right here and then paste this out. Okay, I just need to copy this out first. And then over here on D, right here, just like that. Oh, it says more than one layer, something like that. Okay, so there's it. Okay, so it is not able to copy for some reason. So I'm just going to go around over here onto neutral. So there's some error that I'm unknown about. Sometimes that happens. I'm just gonna copy this out and then paste it right here. Okay, that works fine now. So this is going to be D. So I'm going to increase this out a bit. So it's a bit open. So this is D right there. No, not this one. Okay, just like that, D, and just like that. Okay, Does not need to be perfect, just needs to be believable. Okay, if I were to go back right here, there's D right here, there's A as well. So EE is how you spell that. So I'm just going to go around right here and I'm going to create a new layer, A. So that is how that is pronounced. I'm just going to go around right here and then Control F. A is going to be a bit more larger, just like this. I'm just going to go around right here. Yeah, A until the character says A, just like that. And what else we have is R. R is, do we already have R? We have R, but not R, right? So we don't have a double A, so we are just going to duplicate out this one. So I'm going to create a new layer right here, go on to R, and I'm just going to paste this out right here. Okay, so it created another path, no problem. Just going to delete this, and this is going to be R right here. And the mouth shape is going to be a bit more. It's going to be R right here. Okay, more wide open, just like that. So once we have that, let's go on to the other part right here. We got the R right here. We got the Okay, so it's and O is remaining. So let's go to the and then I'm going to continue out. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. Okay, and just gonna create a new layer. And then over here, I'm just going to go to and copy on this. This is going to be So just gonna paste this out, Control F right here. So I'm just going to go around into okay, so UH is how you do it. So is going to be a bit different. So I'm just going to go around and adjust the shape a bit. So right here, just like that, that's fine. I'm going to Control out, maybe resize. This is going to be right here. Let me just go around and then change this out. Yeah, this is going to be right there, just like that. Okay, So once this is done, let's go to the other shape. There's OH, which already seems to be there. O. Let me just adjust this a bit more. Let's just go over here and then change this out right here into something like O right here. Let me just change this around just like this. And then after O, there's R right here. Okay, so R is a bit like O, but not too open. So that's for R. Okay, so let me just go over here and then create a new layer, R. I'm going to go around right here, just like this, onto the neutral part right here, just like that. I'm just going to disable the O. Gonna go into the neutral part. Okay, I actually seems to have disabled the neutral part right here. So I'm just going to go around and then copy and paste like somewhere from like S. Right here, copy and paste it in the neutral part. Just like that. And then choose the regular shape right here. So that makes it neutral. And then, so I'm just going to copy and paste this on the R section. Just like this. Okay. Didn't work out quite well right here. So I'm just going to copy this, go on to R, paste it right here, just like this. Okay, that's fine. And then go on to the R section and then manage this out. So R is going to be this shape itself. I'm just going to go around right here, increase this out. So this is going to be R right here. And then I'm just going to change out the shape a bit, just like that. I'm taking this one as a reference right here. So there's another one is U, W, and then dash OW. So that's going to be a very steep U, right? So for that, I'm just going to go around right here and then create a new layer, W and OO. So that's going to be U right here. So for that one, I may just use a circle right here. So O right here, just like this, and then choose this out. So this is gonna continue right here, and then go on to O right here, and then go around and then increase this one. So I'm just going to go to O and increase this one out onto O right here, just like this. Okay, so O is there as well, and there's F, and there's L, and then there's smile, and then there's surprise. Okay, so there's going to be F. So let's just continue out and then go on over here. There's going to be F right here. And then I'm going to go for the neutral part right here. Copy this out and then paste this right here. Just like this. So F, let me just reshape the mouth a bit and then increase this out. And then I'm going to change out. So this is going to be F. And then what else do we have right here? There's L, which is a bit larger. So just gonna go around and continue it out. Going to go for L and then F right here. And then paste it out right here, just like that. So that's going to be L. Okay, I guess like not this shape. But anyways, I guess like that's good. Let me just go around right here. No, not going to go with this shape. But L is going to be this itself, all right? Or maybe this? No. This is more like it right here. Or maybe this one itself? No. Okay, I'm just going to take this one and then increase out the size a bit. Okay, L. Then we have smile and surprised. So smile and surprise. So I'm just going to go around over here. This is going to be smile. It's going to be more smiley than the neutral that we have right here. So I'm just going to copy this out and then paste it right over here. Okay. And then this is going to be more smiley. So I'm just going to increase this out. Really big smile right there. All right. So really big smile right there. And then that's going to be surprised. So surprised is how you spell it. So let's just go right here. And then I'm going to go around onto R right here because this is the shape I want to copy. And I'm going to create new layer right here. And say surprised. And paste that in right here. So once you do that, I'm just going to change out the shape right here. And increase out the shape really well so that the character looks really surprised. So let me just increase it out all the way out right here. The character is really surprised. And those are the mouth shapes right here. So we can just save this out right here. So I'm just going to save this out. Go to File or Save or press Ctrl S. I already pressed Ctrl S. So let's just go right here and then it imports out all the artworks right here. So once you do that, what you can do is you can go over and then see all of the shapes if that is there. Okay, so there's the neutral right here. So I made sure that I rename the layers according to the letters right here so that I don't have to select it out. And if it doesn't select the correct mouse shape out right here, let's say for example you see neutral, you didn't spell it out correctly, you can just select and click on the shape right here. So you can assign it to M as well if you want to, just like that, as you can see. So it does not actually matter even if you don't rename the layers according to the requirement, but naming it properly beforehand saves time because you don't have to assign each and every one here later on. So there's neutral, there's M, there's A, there's D, there's S right here, there's A, and there's surprise right here, there's R, just like that, and there's R and everything else as you can see right here. So let's just go around right here, go around, and there's the neutral right here, so that's fine. There's M right here, so let's just go around. There's M that is selected. Let's go to A, that's selected as well. There's D, there's S, there's A, that's fine. There's surprise, yeah, the surprise one is selected, just like that. The R is selected as well. The R is selected. O is selected. There's L, there's F, there's smile, and then there's O right here. So smile is really big, as you can see right here. And oh, everything is there, just like that. So now what you can do is you can go on to record and then lip sync it out using your webcam. So let's try that out. So I'm just going to go to record right here. So now if I were to turn on my webcam right here, you can see that it actually detects my face just like this. So I can go over, I haven't turned on the microphone yet. So I'm just going to set the rest pose right here, detected as you can see right there. So I can go So depending on what I do, it detects my face. But if I were to turn on my microphone, then it'll be much more better, as you can see right there. So it detects everything, my mouth shape and my voice, as you can see right there. And it tries to lip sync it out, just like that, as you can see right here. So you can go around here, say, hi, okay, hi, how are you? And it detects my lips, as you can see. And it is very, very detailed, just like that. It detects out everything and then tries to replicate the mouth shapes according to the words that I actually say. So I can say, ooh, ooh, ooh. And you can see that that is how it actually works like. And that is how you can work around with mouth shapes and then making details mouth shapes for lip sync inside of Character Animator using Illustrator. You can also do the same in Photoshop. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.